Hello everyone. In this demo, I am going to walk you through replication of data from DB to source to DataBricks target. This involves creating source and target table, creating subscription, and performing replication. Moving on, this is the deployment architecture. We used CDC for DB2 engine on the source to read the changes, and then CDC Flexrep engine on the target side that will apply the data to DataBricks target. Here is the driver details used on the Flexrep side to apply the data to DataBricks target. Let's get started with the demo. In the interest of time, I have already created DB2 source instance and FlexRep instance for Databricks target, and I also added these agents as data stores in CDC management console. Next, create source table and target table. Now creating a table called EMP data1 on source with 3 columns and also going to insert some initial data. I'm going to insert row with employee ID 111 and then another row with employee ID 222. We have 2 records in the source table. Now let us create EMP data1 table on the Databricks target. Let us verify the data. Next, we will create a subscription in management console, say db underscore demo, and then we're going to choose db2 as the source data store and databricks as the target data store. Next, we will create a table mapping. In the source table list, choose the table emp data1 that we just created. In the target, choose the same emp data1 table and click on finish. You can see that the table mapping is created. Just double click on the table mapping to view the column mapping details. When replicating to Databricks target, it is mandatory to configure the fast apply algorithm. For the purpose of the demo, we are going to use group by table fast apply algorithm. Just right click on the subscription, go to user exit, and set the fast apply class name as group by table and then value 5. Now that the replication setup is ready, we will start the replication process. Just right click on the subscription and choose start mirroring. For the very first time, it will perform the refresh and then switches to mirror continuous mode. Once the replication is started, we can monitor the status and also the events in the monitoring tab. We can see that the event clearly shows refresh completed and 2 rows are applied successfully on the target side. Now let us go to Databricks and verify the data. I'm going to run the same select query on the target. We can see that the initial data that were loaded in the source were replicated to Databricks successfully. Now that the subscription is running in mirror continuous mode, I'm going to insert one more row with employee ID 333. Now let's go back again to Databricks to verify the data. You can see that the new row with employee ID 333 replicated to Databricks successfully. This concludes this demo. Thank you.